and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming around. Let us do a very quick design burger. Alright, so we're going to first of all get a wooden background. The wooden background is going to serve as a stage, like a platform to add our burger like this. Alright, okay, so let's do something. Go over here, click on this, just type leave. Right, okay, let's not even go far, let's pick this. Okay, ox 5ZC. Alright, download it. Okay, so let me add our background. So I can use this or this. So let's begin with this. Okay, send it to the back. Increase this. Alright, okay, so bring in the burger. This is the burger. Alright, it comes with its own shadow, but it's not enough. We're going to work on that. Right, now if you want to get shadows that we use, you can use this, but let me bring this guy also, sprite. Okay, the burger to the front. Now the way it is looking, you will not, it doesn't look real because there's no shadow around these guys. So I'm going to reduce this a little. I'll reduce this also. I'll bring it here, I'll bring this here. Still reduce it, bring it there, bring this here. Alright, okay, so I want to add shadow to it. I'm gonna, sorry, not there. I'll click on stickers, I'll go over here, I'll click on this, I'll click on this, I'll click on this. Then I can go over here now and I'll change it to black. Alright, for shadows always use black. So I'm casting the shadow around here at the base there. I'm going to copy it. Alright, I'll bring it there again. I'll copy it and I'll bring it here. Alright, then let's do this, reduce this. I'm bringing it there. I'm copying it again, I'm bringing it there again. Copy again, I'll bring it there again. Alright, so let's bring this one to the front and see the difference now. You see that now? Okay, so we can either increase this, right? So the shadow is showing right now. Alright, so let's bring in some stuff. So this leaf we just downloaded, we can bring it here. Alright, we can bring it here like this. We can increase it. Alright, so I'm going to make sure that I make it, I darken it. This one is darkened. Alright, so I'm going to copy it and I would bring it this other way. Okay, reduce this. Alright, this one I'm going to use the original color like this, and I'm going to remove. Right, I'll bring the bugger to the front. I'll bring this guy to the front. Alright, then I'm going to bring this logo here, Burger King. Alright, okay, so we have the background and every other thing, so let's check the so I'll click here, I'll do this, I'll paste this here. I'm going to remove this guy. Right, I'll put these words here, and because the background is light, so we could go with a dark color for this. Alright, let's try a different font for it. If you can't get the best from that part, you can go over here and use a brighter color for the background. So you could come with something like this. So we could use something like this to bring a brightness there. So just copy it, put it there again. Alright, so I lock everything and I'll bring these guys to the front. Alright, so that I can bring this one now to the front. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna bugger. Alright, let me use a decent font here. Something huge. Alright, I'll bring this together, still make it bigger. Okay, alright, so you can decide to leave it like that or use another font for it. So let's try red from the logo. Oh Jesus. Right. So I'll bring this here. I'll remove this. Alright, I'll put it here. Okay. And this can come down. Right, then this can come to the front again. This can come to the front. Now remember, all these guys, they should all come to the front. So we can quickly bring this guy here. This guy, alright, we'll make it dark. Alright, so black for example, I'll put it here. Okay, reduce opacity. we'll still copy it here. Okay, right, we'll still copy it here. So I'm putting it at the base there like this, copying it and putting it there, copying it and putting it there. Alright, so let's do Burger's Kitchen order now. So we're going to do this. Come over here, click on this. Okay, that's okay. So let's do this. Let's do this. Alright, so we'll put it right there, rotate it like this, rotate it like this, do this, put it there. So make sure that it's aligned with the text like this. Alright, I'm going to put it like right here. Then go and edit it, remove this, do this, then you come over to stroke, just add maybe 2 stroke, and then the color should be white, and you put it right there. So adjust it here like this. Alright, we'll reduce it and put it there. Alright, so we can just come over here, pick a text. So just type the order now. Alright, not bar, order now. Alright, then we already have a long text, so let's go with a long text. Alright, so we rotate it like this. Alright, we'll put it right there. We can copy this and put it there. Alright, so let's say Burger. Alright, just put the text here. So a white text is okay, very perfect for this. Alright, so this is it. This is our design. Very, very cool. Alright, straight to the point and everything. So let's save it as an image. I have saved it as an image. Now let's go and add a little editing to it. Just a little of it actually. Now let's see what we can do with this. So I'm going to take it to I'm taking it first to Pixellab. I'm going to add a lens effect to it as this lens flare. So I click on that and I'll import the design, which is this guy here. Is that okay now? Then I'm going to go over to add text. Alright, then I'm going to click on this, add image. I'm going to go to download. Alright, I'm going to download this guy here. Now you may be asking, how do I get this lens flare? Just go to your Google and type lens flare. You will see this particular one. It is easy to download. Click on blend, click on screen, and you see it here like this. I see that now. So I can put it right there and drag it a little like this. So I can go here, copy it, alright, to add more. So I can also go up to get it again. Then I'm going to bring it here, and I'll do this. Alright, I'm going to duplicate it again, and I'll remove this from there, and I'll put it maybe somewhere here. Let's see. Alright, then I'm going to, okay, let's see how it goes. I think this one is too much. We can remove it, or we can reduce it. Right, we can reduce it. right? Then this one is looking too much too. This one, we can also reduce it. Okay, can reduce it and put it there. Okay, are you seeing that now? So when you are done, you can click on the check, and then you're good to go. So let's save it first, and then move it over to Snapseed. Snapseed is another photo editing app, right? So let's go to Snapseed, and first thing you want to do to the Snapseed is to bring in the bright sharpness. So go to details like this. All right, this is it. All right, the next thing you want to do is to go to this guy here.